Hi everyone, finally I am excited to share my plan for tackling Leetcode problems and what strategy I am using towards learning Leetcode problems. So yeah, let's go step by step, and before that let me show you my GitHub account, like how I have modified it to track my progress. So you can use GitHub's cool tools to make custom dashboards, and so these dashboards will basically help us keep an eye upon how many commits we are making. And yeah, I have used some gifs and and the LinkedIn and the social accounts that we are using, tech stack. So these are all the APIs that I have used. So it will just, and yes, you can also pin your latest projects over here. So anyone who sees your GitHub repo will directly go from this dashboard, and these are the contributions, still work in progress. So yeah, so this is about GitHub account. And now let's move on to Leetcode planning. So basically I have made a list of basic stuff I need to learn to solve the problems. So like you can think of it as a building block of coding. So each week I am focusing on different topics. You can see I've included those topics which is the basic minimum requirement that you need to know for that topic. So arrays, then comes strings. Also there is this another thing that I'm following. So since you need to be in touch with your what you can say with the basic JavaScript, HTML and CSS, so a developer should always be in touch with the front end and back end thing. So I have also thought to, so whatever I learn, suppose if I learn adding elements, or suppose if I am planning to learn iterating or searching, so I'll try to create a visualization for that. I have done that. I will show you I'll show you later, but yeah, so that is my plan, so that in that way not only I'm focusing on concepts, but even I am making sure that I am in touch with my basics for JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Spring Boot. So for backend I am using Spring Boot, where I'll do all the CRUD operations, and for frontend I'm using just vanilla JavaScript. Yeah, so this is for strings. Then I have also taken out some points for disjoint sets, unions, and then for bags, like one shouldn't ignore the bags. And then so these are still pending, like I'll take some more time to finish taking out some more pointers for trees, stacks and queues. Yeah, so this is the plan, and you can see, so for first week I have almost covered all these topics. So the plan is, each week at the end of the week my friend Anirudh will take a test on whatever I have learned. So I'll list down the points or topics that I have learned, and to make sure that I am on track and test my concepts or validate my learning, I need to test my someone should be there to tell you like if you are on track or not. So he will be taking test almost like an hour or two, and then I'll be more sure about it if I am on the right path or not, or do I need to modify my learning. Yeah, I want to show you one feature of Leetcode. So if you see, you will see many sessions over here. So if you are using only one account of your friend, or there are 2 to 3 people who have used premium, who are using premium account, you can have this session management over here. So if you want to keep this session as active, so this is my session, so whatever problems you will be solving, it will be counted over here under your name. So you can do this also. And yeah, so that's one cool feature that I liked about this platform. After that, yeah, so I wanted to show you the visualization that I am doing. So since I started with arrays, if you can see, so this is searching techniques in arrays. Suppose let's create an array. So I'll give the size over here. You see, enter array size. So I'll enter the size, create. So it will automatically create. I think my backend is not up. 1 second. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So suppose if I click on suppose if I enter the size over here for an array, so it will automatically create 4 boxes over here, and you can enter values in it. And if you click on save, it will automatically save my inputs. And then if I try to suppose search, let's say I want to search and the index for the value 5, so it will automatically show the target value is at index 2. So basically I have done the JavaScript. So the front end is with complete vanilla JS, Bootstrap. So I am also writing some code snippets over here which are important, like what is recursion. So also for arrays, like you can create your array, save it, then modify it, find the smallest, find the largest, and you can perform all the basic operations. So this visualization technique will help you to be in touch with your full stack, like your front end, back end concepts as well, and also concepts related to Leetcode. So yeah, this is the strategy that I have followed. Every week I'll be updating like how is my plan progressing, if I am able to learn with the strategy that I have made, or there need to be some modification in that for me, so you people can follow as per that strategy. So yeah, that's the whole plan for now.